Let's learn how to use Snail News. First, install Snail News. Search the Play Store for Snail News and install it. Please run Snail News after installation. Please select a media company you are interested in. You can choose from foreign media. Press the play button at the top of the menu, to play the news in the order of the list.
The Long Rushes, Road of Bones, Relics of Suffering and Despair.
If you want to move on to the previous or next news, please use the lower news player.
Intel and Nvidia chips power a Chinese surveillance system. Where the pomegranate harvest is life, the Taliban. A Brazilian writer saw a tweet as tame satire.
You can see the media companies you selected by sliding categories from side to side. If you want to hear the news from other media companies, touch the media companies in the category. You can add or remove the media you want by clicking the Press Company Selection menu at the bottom. You can change the order by pressing down on the icon and moving left and right. If you don't have a media company you want, you can click the mail icon to request a media company you want. When you're done choosing the media, please press the OK button at the top and bottom. If you touch the article you want, you can check the original article. You can also play the news on the original page by touching the button on the top right.
COVID-19 pandemic. Merkel, worried about back.
If you go out to your home screen while playing the news, it's playing in the background.
Staff at a 14-bed hospital in North Dakota tell firsthand their fight to keep friends family. Patrick Quinn, Ice Bucket Challenge activist, dies aged 37.
It was a video of how to use Snail News. Thanks for watching. Snail News.